Happy Monday, everyone. This is Martha with Nature Niche. Last year for the new year, I read you Hope is the Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson. And this year, I'd like to share a couple of poems, a more modern one and an old one, to help you think about 2022. So the first poem is called Stars by Abigail Hall. In order for the stars to shine, the sun must go to rest, for only in the darkness can you see the light the best. But the night sky separates our eyes from light that would make us blind, and what we call stars poke holes in this sheet to reveal some of heaven behind. The night sky simply shields our eyes from what they cannot bear, but we are allowed a glimpse of hope in a time of great despair. And as heaven pours out itself, we see not endless void, but rather a glimpse of never-ending peace and love and joy. Praise be to God who spoke the stars that illuminate the night, for they are proof that even in the darkness there is light. The second poem I want to share is A Day of Sunshine by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. O gift of God, O perfect day, whereon shall no man work but play, whereon it is enough for me not to be doing, but to be. Through every fiber of my brain, through every nerve, through every vein, I feel the electric thrill, the touch of life that seems almost too much. I hear the wind among the trees playing celestial symphonies. I see the branches downward bent like keys of some great instrument. And over me unrolls on high the splendid scenery of the sky, where though a sapphire sea, the sun sails like a golden galleon towards yonder cloudland in the west, towards yonder islands of the blessed, whose steep sierra far uplifts its craggy summits white with drifts. Blow winds and waft through all the rooms the snowflakes of the cherry blooms. Blow winds and bend within my reach the fiery blossoms of the peach. O life and love, O happy throng of thoughts whose only speech is song. O heart of man, canst thou not be blithe as the air is and as free? So I hope whether you are enjoying nature at night or on a sunny day, that you take the time to appreciate your connection with nature in 2022 and find lots of opportunities to find peace, hope, and joy. Take care and have a good week.